Feels good to be back on the road and doing my craft, and this job took me to North Bend, Washington, to a job I had been to previously, installing this cabinet in this bathroom. Did a little remodel, but some water damage damaged the cabinet, and the owner did not want to replace the cabinet. They were very fond of that. Discovered that there was a leaking pipe in the wall that actually caused the damage. So I gutted the wall out, found the leak, and got this dried out with a heater fan in there, treated it with moldicide, kept opening it up until I couldn't find any more mold, re-insulated all new plumbing in here, also put in a new shutoff valve that you could see there in the left bottom. The previous shutoff valve that was for the whole house would not shut off the water, so I had to shut it off at the street, replace that valve, and here I am making a patch panel for that cabinet. So I'm going to be fixing the edge of it and try to make it look like it was never damaged. Here we are finishing up the mudding on the sheetrock and did a skim coat on the wall. Got everything all painted up in there, and now it's time to put that cabinet back together. I made these custom blocks so I can get all the draw slides back in exactly where they needed to go. Each bracket on each slide had 3 separate holes, all 3 different sizes. And there it is, all back together. Would never be able to tell there was anything wrong. And final picture here coming up is with the toilet reinstalled. No, maybe not. It'll be coming up here. But I'm real happy with the way this came out. You can't tell that there was ever any damage. And there it is. This job is done. Next stop, Olympia, Washington. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more just like this.